Guys, welcome back. I finally have an update for Project Shinigami, and as y'all can tell, I got some internals in. I'm super excited. As you can see, I went with HKS. Went with HKS for multiple reasons. I'll go over a couple little things. You know, not too much detail, but enough so you guys, you know, get the idea of what I was looking for here. If you don't know, or you hadn't seen before, this is your first time seeing one of my videos or an update on Project Shinigami, I got my R32 GTR. It's been about a year now, and got it in, did all my preventative maintenance, did all my basics, all the checks, all that kind of stuff, and took it out to the track for its first shakedown. And second session of the day, I blew out the oil pump and seized the engine. So if y'all know anything about RB26s, you know that's the weak point of the engine. I got the car home, started pulling it apart, fingers crossed the whole time, and no luck. So you guys can see those. I've posted those other videos, but I decided to go with the HKS setup, and I went with not just the standard size, but the upgraded capacity side. So this is a 2.8 kit. So we're going to step up from the 2.6, bore it out, set it up for the 2.8 now. This is the whole lower end or the block side of things, the rotating assembly. So I've got a full set of pistons, rods, and of course brand new crankshaft. So real quick, just off of what HKS says, HKS technical, I'm on their Japan site right now. We didn't do step 0, we didn't do step 1, we did step 2. Okay, so we're looking at a set of forged pistons, and as you can see, they have the special coating on them. Word I don't pronounce too well, so let's see. The connecting rods are again a forged material. And then crankshaft is the same way. Crankshaft is lightened, balanced, everything else. It's all balanced, but as you see as I move forward with my progression, I'm still gonna send everything out. I'm still gonna just have everything double and triple checked, make sure everything's as good as it can be before it goes in, get it all assembled, and then go from there. Now, I'm not just doing the stroker kit. I'm not just doing the 2.8, of course, because if I'm doing that, what's the reason in stopping? I might as well just go the full way. The idea behind the project build has now moved to a full time attack car. So I got all this good stuff from HKS. I still need to do the rest of the head work. Do the upgrades in the head. I'll more than likely go with the VCAM setup. They just have a new VCAM setup that released, so while I'm in Japan next week, as a little secret, I hadn't really told anybody, but I'm going to be stopping by HKS and talking with them. One, I'll talk with them about their VCAM setup, but also the turbo upgrade I'm looking to do. I am going to go to a single turbo versus the twins. There's a whole range of arguments behind that, response, lag, all that kind of stuff. HKS just released a new set of ball bang turbos. I'm looking at basically one of their mid-range ones, looking to be in between hopefully 800, maybe 900 if it'll support it, but something where it's tunable for the track I'm going to run. So I I wanted to give you guys an update. It's been a while. I think I put my order in for these, man, almost 8 months ago. So I'm super excited they finally came in. Again, this is just the first stage of things, and I'm really excited not only for this, but for my tour of HKS and to get to talk with them while I'm in Japan. So if you guys have been watching my channel, I greatly appreciate you. I appreciate your support, everything else, okay? If you guys have any questions, drop comments, let me know. I'll do my best to answer it, or see if I can find you the answer. If it's just too technical and I don't know, I'll talk to my engine builder or my tuner or something if that's something I need to for you guys. But I'll show you guys these a little bit more. I'll give you a little fancy cinematic on these parts, because they really are beautiful. And then when it comes time to do assembly and everything else, I'll do my best, because they all get sent out. I'll do my best to try and get you guys some of that content too. So you guys let me know what you think. If you guys already have experience with the HKS, the Step 2 kit, you guys drop some comments below. Let's talk about it. But this is where it's going. So if you can't tell, I'm super excited about this. You guys, something else I'm super excited about. If you guys have been with me for a while, I've hinted at this in the last couple of videos, but I actually have merch coming out. I have a set of Counter Racing shirts and hoodies coming out. What I'm going to do is, probably in the next video, I'm gonna let you guys know how to win it. I talked to you guys in the last video where I had passed 1,000 subs, and one of the things I had wanted to do was give back. So I want to give away some shirts, a hoodie, you know, and you know, give back to you guys for all the support you give me. So on the next video, I'll let you know. What we'll do is we'll do a subscribe, not only on my YouTube channel, but on my IG, and I'll make sure you guys are subscribed. I'll give you a keyword to drop in the comments section, and good luck. So this is my HKS stuff that I got in. I'm super stoked about it, super happy. This is what I've been waiting on to now be able to move forward and start putting Project Shinigami back together, and not only get it running, but start getting it out on the track and everything else like I want to. You guys stay tuned for this. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned for the merch drop, and a week from now, what are we? Yeah, a week from now, I'll be in Japan. So and just, it's going to be so much fun. So I'm going to be in Japan. I am doing all car stuff. There's no regular tourist stuff. If that's what you want, you can DM and ask me, and I'll let you know. I've been to Japan enough time, done a bunch of tourist stuff. I can talk to you guys about that on the side, but this trip is all about car stuff. So we're going to be doing Tokyo Auto Salon. We're going to be doing drives. We're renting fun cars. We're running around the shops. I already told you I'm doing HKS, parking areas, Daikoku, like everything. So it is going to be a non-stop, crazy trip. And like when I say non-stop, I'll get up first thing in the morning, jump in the rental car, go do stuff all day. I'll be at Daikoku at night until they kick us out, come home, hit the bed, back up, and let's go. So you guys, thank you for everything you've done for me. Thank you for the support. You guys hang out. It's going to be just a blast running through 2023, and we're going to get at it. All right. Thank you guys. I'll see you at the next one.